creators, and welcome to another video. Today I want to show you a really good feature you might just be missing out on. It's Canva Presentations. Now if you're like me, then doing presentations, not necessarily the most fun thing to do. You know, you pull up a PowerPoint, you clickety-clackety, you know, all that fun stuff. But now with Canva Presentations, not only is it fun to present, but it's even more fun to create. So I've used this feature for my own projects, and it just makes everything easier, fun, and really cool. Canva's layouts and templates are just beautiful. It makes you look like the top-notch designer you really are. And of course you can add animations, music, video. Like you can do this with PowerPoint, but Canva takes it to the next level, and I'm gonna break it down for you. And at the end of the video, you can decide if you want to go back to boring PowerPoint or start now with Canva Presentations. So I won't waste any more time. Let's get into it right now. But before we start, I have to ask you to please subscribe if you love my content. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. And if after this presentation you want to use Canva Presentations, see what I did there, for yourself, just click the link in my description and you'll get to do it today. So get clicking. Now we're here in Canva, and I'm going to show you how easy, simple, and fun it is to create a presentation in Canva. Now there's a little, it shows you right here you can click on, but I want to show you the full process. So let's just type in presentations here. Ooh, I can never spell in front of you guys. Presentation, click. And I had to show you this library. It is ridiculously cool. There's just so many templates to choose from for whatever it is. I mean, it even comes, you're doing a book report, it's already there. Course syllabus, it's already there. What else can we find? Just introducing yourself as a teacher, final group projects. I remember being in college and having to make all these things from scratch on my own, and never looked half as cool as what I'm looking at right now. So I want to dive deep into one of these presentations, and we're going to look at all the cool things that's already presented and things that you can do to make it even a little more fun. So next up, let's just choose one of these wonderful templates, and let's see, let's go with show and tell. This looks great. So if you've never used Canva before, it's very easy, simple to use. Over here on your left are all your tools. You have templates, elements, all types of fun clip arty style videos, photos, audio, all the things that you can add to your project to make it look awesome. Upload. This is where you're able to put your spin on it by putting your own images, videos, and audio into your project. Text. You're able to choose from Canva's cool templates, or you can just start with your own and add as you go. Videos. It's exactly what it is. A library of videos that you can use in your projects. Isn't that great? No worries about copyright there. And more, because of course Canva couldn't stop there. We had to give you even more things. So, I mean, today we're just going to look at the templates, see how you would be able to use it, and just give you that great overall experience of just being in Canva, making presentations, and have your thing stand out. So over here, you're able to see all the different elements of your presentation already created for you, and it's looking so cool. Now, of course, you're able to change everything you want, but what they want you to do is to have at least a layout or a good idea as to what it could be. But you're able to customize by changing text, you can add effects, you can animate, we can ungroup elements. So all these are all grouped together. If you want to be able to move this one block of text by itself, you hit ungroup. And now that text is independent of everything else. So let's just Control Z, put that back together. So let's say you're just gonna go in and make, a few changes because this looks great. And I wouldn't blame you. You're already working with a great template. But now you want to make it really sizzle, really look great. We're gonna look at something else that you can do. I mean, wasn't that cool? Wasn't that, like that's just the basic presentation. That's not us even getting fancy with Canva just yet. Let's do some more with animation. Great, so now we're gonna add animation. Let's see what we can animate on our presentation. So now we're gonna look at how we can make everything on this page come to life automatically. We're just gonna click on one element, and what's cool is like you don't have to be a graphic director or anything like that. Canva is gonna animate everything and just make it look cool. You don't have to like pull things apart and figure out timing and all that. It comes good straight out of the box. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Said animate here, and now you're able to choose. Look at that. Everything is animated. I mean, does it get any easier or cooler than this? So let's say we go with pop or rise, baseline, I don't know, whatever your style. So we're going to choose breathe. Let's go with that one. If you like what you see, you keep it. You don't like it, revert. Let's keep one. And then over here, we're able to do the same thing to other pages. Isn't that cool? So if we click this, we choose this. It's giving us animation that's great and good looking for the actual slide that you're on. So you're not going to have to worry like, did I do too much popping over there, pop blocking over there? So no, you already have something out the box that looks fantastic. And unlike PowerPoint, you're going to get really cool animation. So guess what else we can do? Now it's looking good. Animation is making it look super fly, but let's add some music. Let's see how we do that. Now, I did tell you there was more, right? So if we hit more over here on the left, we can now add audio, and the audio is already in Canva. So you don't have to worry about, do I have to pull in music from YouTube or something? It's right here in Canva. So let's play one of these. Let's play another. Oh yeah. So if you like what you hear, you take it, put it into your presentation. What? Oh, it's about to go. It's about to go. It's about to go down. Yeah. Yeah. So just like that, you have a creative, beautiful, attractive, fun presentation right out of the box. So simple, easy to do. This video isn't even that long and we already have a presentation. You just go in, make this your own, put your name in, change the colors if you like. I mean, honestly, there isn't much you have to do. So can you actually not want to try this tool? Remember, I do have a link that you can click right now to get Canva Pro today. So don't hesitate. Get it today. So now let's see what we do when we just want to present, and you can do all that right from Canva. So here we go. And we're going to present. We have standard, where you're able to do it at your own pace. Autoplay, where you set the speed, so it just kind of goes to the flow. And then presenter view, which allows you to see your notes and upcoming slides. So it does have that function just like PowerPoint, but like so much better. I mean, personally, I think I would want to go with standard, but just for the sake of this presentation, let's just go with autoplay. And let's say every 5 seconds, it changes. Present. What? 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 Next slide. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One more slide. I mean, isn't this looking great? And of course, you can always hit this escape to exit the full screen, or just hit escape on your keyboard and you're done. If you want to also share this with someone, you can do this in many ways. We can share a link and have that person look at it directly in Canva, or we can download it. And then now you have that file for you to share. But why even take it out of Canva when it does everything you want it to do? So I hope you learned something new today. I hope you enjoyed this review. And what's stopping you from getting Canva today? Again, I'm reminding you there is a link for you to click to get Canva Pro today. And look, now you're done. You can present to anyone. I'm talking top notch, low notch, everyone is going to be impressed. So as usual, Canva makes a great product that you have to use. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do ask if you love my content to please subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. And I never end without saying, thanks for watching.